Now, Vizard, if you want to make your videos look like a pro created them, then Vizard is a secret weapon. It uses AI to automatically enhance your footage, making it look polished and professional. We give it a 8 actually out of 10 because it's a must-have tool for those who want to quickly and easily improve the look of their videos. It has AI-powered enhancement Wizard. Wizard automatically adjusts the color, the contrast, and the lighting to make your videos look their best. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is upload your footage and let Wizard do the magic. Then there's no need to spend hours tweaking settings. Wizard does everything for you, and it's very affordable because it offers a free plan and paid plans. Now, for you have a free trial 14 days to have all the features, and the paid plans are the creator plan, which is $30 per month for 5 interactive videos. We also have the pro plan, which is $60 per month. You pay $60 per month for unlimited interactive videos and advanced features. And the cons are that you will not have much control over the final result as a manual editor because it does everything for you. You can't tweak it yourself.